Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, welcome to my channel if this is your first time, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and watching my video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back today. So first thing first, you can hear it in my voice. I still have a little bit of a cough, but thanks be to God, I'm finally getting over that hump. It hasn't been like too long. I mean, it's not like I've been, down for super long, but it's been almost 2 weeks. And for me, that's a long time because I rarely get sick. And when I do, it usually will go away within the first couple of days. Now, when I do talk, I find myself getting a little choked up, but for the most part, it's pretty much almost gone. So that I'm very, very thankful for. And I almost went into the doctor, but for some reason they couldn't see me because of no appointments, blah, 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 which is funny because the clinic I went into had nobody in the waiting room. So I don't know. Maybe God just wanted me to lean on him and trust on him, which I did. And the only reason I had thought about going into the clinic was because I was up, throughout the nights with a cough. And it was very aggravating, and there was times where I would choke because of coughing so much, and it kind of frightened me. But when I couldn't get seen, I just came home and continued resting and not talking. I think that helped a lot, and also just praying and just continually claiming healing over myself. And that's what I did. And so I stand before you today. It had nothing to do with any medicine because nothing was working for me. Nothing like that. It's just all God. So if those of you watching don't believe in God, I'm sorry if this offends you, but this is what I believe and it's what worked for me. So anyways, moving on with the video. If I do cough a little bit, I'm sorry because like I said, I still have a little bit left, but for the most part, it's getting much better. So in this video, we are going to do my March 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. So I did peek in here. I don't believe I even picked anything in this box this month because I was sick and I forgot. However, again, this month I have no card in there to tell you how much anything is or anything like that. I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm. And let me just say that this was and still is my favorite subscription that I have. I have the base box and the premium. I even considered getting the Luxe box as well because by far this is my favorite. But in the last couple months, I have to say I have not been very pleased in the base boxes. I have been disappointed in the sense of not only have I not gotten what I wanted in my pick, you know how normally they have some kind of foam to protect. Does not have it again this month. They didn't have it last month. And I don't have a card to tell you guys. So we're just going to go off of, and I didn't get an email stating anything about the products as well. So I will share with you what I got in the box, tell you if I am happy with it, if I'm going to keep it. But like I told you guys, this is my favorite subscription. And I don't want to base it off the last 2 months, but if the next few months continue this way, then I'm probably going to cancel it because this is our money. I know we get such a good value, but I personally want my stuff packaged nicely. And I want to know what I'm getting so I can let you guys know and let you know how much it is and all of that. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I see here is the Very Cherry Clean Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is in a 3.4 fluid ounce. Now this I'm really happy that I got, and I was hoping and hoping that I got this because I love products like this. It comes with a little cute spatula for you to get the product out. I have not tried it as of yet. And this is what the product looks like. Just a pinkish tone. It does smell like cherries very, very much. If you're not a cherry person, which I'm not at all, you may not like this, but because I like these types of products. I'm going to deal with the smell and use it. I love, so far, the things that I have tried from the brand Pharmacy. I have been very pleased with everything that I have tried. So yeah, I'm super excited about this one for sure. The second item I got is the Sutra Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with Cooling Tip. It's a 0.75 inch, 19 millimeter, and it looks like this. Now, I definitely don't need any hot irons or anything like that. I do have a ton. This may be really nice for travel. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it as of yet, or if I may save it for a future giveaway. I did see them using it on the Boxycharm. I got the yellow one, and it looks like that. It's a small wand. This may be really nice for travel. I think if you have shorter hair, which mine is not short and not thin, this would be a good product for you. I don't know how well it's going to work on my hair is not super thick, but it can get thick once I dry it. And if I add like volumizing products, it can feel very thick. So I'm not super excited about this. I wouldn't have wanted this choice, but I'm going to consider putting that in a giveaway. Not sure on that as of yet. The thing I see in here is the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. Becca is one of my favorite brands. I do love their lip products. This is in the color Toasty. I may already have this actually, so I'm going to check my stuff. I don't want to use it because I may have it already, but this is what it looks like. Very pretty pinky nude color. I don't see it in my stuff, so I love Becca's lip formulas. They're so creamy. They last on the lips so long. I have several of the lipsticks. I will continue to repurchase her lipsticks, or the lipsticks from that brand. I think that they're worth it. The price point, they're so, you know, pigmented and everything. So, excuse me, excited about that one as well. And then I got the Chawla. They look like tweezers. I'm not real big on getting tweezers, to be honest, because I have my same Revlon tweezers that I've used for many, many years and continue to repurchase and I love. So I don't really stray when it comes to tweezers because I have my favorites and they're affordable. But this is what they look like. They're just kind of fancy. Again, I don't care to get this in here, but I don't know if I'm going to keep them or possibly save them for a giveaway or give them to somebody. You know, I may even give them to my husband because he will always use my tweezers and he may like these. I don't know, but I personally don't like getting these in my boxes, if I'm being 100% honest with you guys, which I will always be. Yeah, not my favorite. So that's going to be put to the side. And then I have this Hank & Henry Living Color Palette. And I think this is, we were either going to get this or the Boxycharm palette. I really wanted the Boxycharm palette just because it's more up my alley, the color selection that I prefer. And I'll show you guys real quickly, but I'm not going to touch it or anything because I'm actually going to do a swap with a friend here on YouTube. She got the Boxycharm palette and her and I are going to swap for these. This very pretty color selection has a nice mirror. It's just not my cup of tea, and I wasn't really wanting this one because I didn't think that I would get a ton of use out of it. So yeah, I'm really excited. Her and I are going to switch that. So yeah, but yeah, so far out of the box of the 5 items, this was not the best box, I have to say. I'm not very pleased with it, and that's just my honest opinion. The curling iron may keep, I don't know, like I said, the tweezers, but for sure, keeping these 2. Excuse me, so 2 out of 3, I guess it's not that bad. The box was $25 plus tax, so $27 or so. And I believe these 2 together probably are more than that value. So, I mean, I can't really be too upset about that. So I guess that is a pretty good deal. But yeah, so that was my March Boxycharm base box. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It feels so good to be back to normal for the most part. Thank you guys so much for all of your well wishes. Thank you for all of your continued support and just hanging on with me and everything. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you guys. But yeah, so this is going to complete this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to give that video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you got something different in your Boxycharm box this month. Let me know. I really love to hear what you got as well. But yeah, guys, so this is going to complete this video. And I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye, guys.